So, you're a proud owner of the Smart Oven Pizzaiolo. Well, what you might not know is that this oven does more than pizza. Yep, that's right. The 750-degree Fahrenheit setting is excellent to char vegetables on. You can achieve that delicious charred look and taste you get in restaurants, right in your kitchen. Let me show you how. Today, we'll make cauliflower steaks. First, insert the pizza stone into the oven cavity and turn the style dial to the 750-degree Fahrenheit setting. The time dial lights will illuminate with the recommended time for this setting. You can adjust the time by turning this dial. You'll notice the temp light start to flash, which indicates that the oven is preheating. Once the temp light stops flashing and stays on, the oven is ready for use. Now that our cauliflower is ready for charring, grab the pizza peel to place the cauliflower steaks directly onto the pizza stone. Don't use the peel if you're using the pizza pan, and always remove its handle. Now that's in, press the time dial to start the countdown timer. A safety tip for this setting and others that use high temperatures, like wood-fired, is to monitor and stay close to the oven while it's cooking. The extreme heat means your food can quickly become overdone, and we don't want it to ignite. When the oven alerts, the time dial lights will flash and then go out. You can now remove your cauliflower steaks. Wow, so fancy, yet so simple.